So today we have to solve a question of ray optics. The question is, an erect image 3 times the size of the object is obtained with a concave mirror of radius of curvature 36 centimeter. What is the position of the object? So here it is given the magnification is 3 times and the mirror is a concave mirror with radius of curvature 36 centimeter, and you have to find out the position of the object, that means u, object distance. So first you have to write what are given in the question. Magnification given 3 times and the radius of curvature, that is a concave mirror, so the radius of curvature will be negative. So this is minus 36 centimeter, and you have to find out the position of the object, that means the object distance, and let it is x, and it will be minus x because the object is situated left to the concave mirror, and so let it is situated at a distance x, that's why u will be minus x. And the formula of magnification m, that is equals to height of image to the height of object, and that is equals to the image distance to the object distance. So here the magnification is given 3 and you have to find out the image distance, so that is minus b divided by the object distance is minus x. That implies you find the image distance, that is 3x. Then you have to use the mirror formula to find out the value of x. So the mirror formula is, by using mirror formula, the mirror formula is 1 divided by f, that is equals to 1 divided by v plus 1 divided by u, and here it is given the radius of curvature, and r is given minus 36 centimeter, that implies focal length f will be half of radius of curvature, so that is minus 36 divided by 2, so that is minus 18 centimeter. So you have to use this value here, so that implies 1 divided by minus 18, that will be equals to the image distance is 1 divided by 3x plus the object distance is minus x, so this will be 1 divided by minus x, and this will be minus 1 divided by 18, that is equals to 1 divided by 3x minus 1 divided by x, so that will be equals to minus 1 divided by 18, that will be, the LCM is 3x, so this is 1 minus 3, that implies minus 1 divided by 18, that will be equals to minus 2 divided by 3x. Both sides minus are present, so you have to cancel the minus side. So this will be 1 divided by 18, that will be equals to 2 divided by 3x. That implies 3x will be 2 into 18, that implies x will be 2 into 18 divided by 3. So this is 6, that implies x will be 6 into 2, that is 12 centimeter. And you have to find out the position of the object. The position of the object or the object distance is minus x. So the object distance u, that will be equals to minus of x, that is equals to minus 12 centimeter. This is the final answer, u is equals to minus 12 centimeter. Thank you.